This is the greatest mystery in tech history, and every word is true. 2008, the world economy is burning, banks collapsing, millions losing everything, and in the middle of the chaos, 9 pages appear online. A blueprint for money that needs no bank, no government, no middleman. Signed by one name, Satoshi Nakamoto. Nobody knew who that was. And 15 years later, we still don't. For 2 years, Satoshi was right there, writing code, fixing bugs, answering emails, a real person, building the future in real time. Then, 2011, one final message, and gone. No goodbye, no interviews, no face, vanished into thin air. And here's the part that gives me chills. Satoshi is sitting on around 1 million Bitcoin, one of the biggest fortunes on planet Earth. It has never moved, not one coin, billions of dollars, untouched, for over a decade. Whoever this was walked away from a fortune to stay invisible. Who does that? But now, why it actually matters. Every company, every currency, every movement has a leader, and a leader can be pressured, arrested, bribed, bought. Bitcoin has none. No founder to threaten, no headquarters to raid, no throat to choke. The creator disappeared, and that turned Bitcoin into something almost impossible, a thing that belongs to no one, and therefore to everyone. Satoshi didn't just leave, Satoshi set it free. I'm Saturo. Stay dangerous. See you in the next one.